6 common TFSA mistakes that are costing you money. Think your tax-free savings account is foolproof? Think again. Every year, thousands of Canadians unknowingly make costly TFSA mistakes. It could be robbing you of thousands of dollars in penalties, lost growth, or missed opportunities. Well, in this video, I'm breaking down the 6 most common TFSA mistakes, how to avoid them, and how to make the most of one of the best financial tools available to Canadians. Okay, let's get started. If you're new here, my name is David Drummond. I'm the founding partner of DLD Financial Group Ltd. and a certified financial planner since 2002. I've helped countless Canadians avoid costly TFSA mistakes, and today I'm sharing the 6 most common ones so you can maximize your TFSA's potential. Let's dive into the first mistake, and it's one that happens far more often than you might think. First mistake, recontributing withdrawn funds in the same year. This is one of the most common and easiest mistakes to make with your TFSA. Here's how it happens. You withdraw $10,000 mid-year for a vacation or unexpected expense and decide to recontribute that same amount a few months later. If you've already hit your contribution limit for the year, this will result in an over-contribution penalty. Why? Well, withdrawals don't create new room until the next calendar year. As an example, if you maxed out your TFSA and in March you withdraw $10,000, then in November you deposit the same $10,000 back into the account, this triggers a 1% penalty per month because that room actually won't reset officially until January 1st of the following year. How do you avoid this? Always wait until January 1st of the following year to recontribute withdrawn funds. Double check your TFSA contribution by logging into your CRA account. Second mistake, not maximizing your TFSA. The TFSA is one of the most versatile and powerful tools for growing wealth, but many Canadians aren't contributing enough or at all. As an example, if you're earning $90,000 annually and only contributing $2,000 per year to your TFSA, you're leaving thousands of dollars in tax-free growth on the table. Over 20 years, that could mean tens of thousands of missed opportunities and gains. How to avoid it? Well, you can set up automatic contributions, even if it's just a small amount. Consistency is the key. Aim to contribute the maximum allowable amount each year if you can. For 2024, the annual limit is $7,000, and the lifetime limit is $95,000 if you've been eligible since 2009. Third mistake is over-contributing to your TFSA. Over-contributing is one of the most expensive TFSA mistakes you can make. If you deposit more than your available room, you'll face a 1% penalty per month on the excess amount until it's fixed. For example, if you over-contribute by $5,000, you'll owe $50 in penalties every month. That's $600 a year. Well, how do you avoid this? Keep track of your contribution room by checking your CRA account, and remember that your available room resets every January 1st, and withdrawals from the previous year, if you made any, are added back the following year. Now, the fourth mistake, using your TFSA as a basic savings account. Many people treat the TFSA like a basic savings account, earning only 1% to 2% in interest. It's certainly better than nothing, but it's a huge missed opportunity. The TFSA's real power lies in its ability to shelter investment growth from tax. Now, as an example, if you invested $10,000 in a high-interest savings account earning 2%, sure, you'll make $200 in a given year, but if you invested that same $10,000 in a dividend-paying stock or ETF earning 8%, you'd make $800 tax-free instead. How do you avoid this? Well, use your TFSA for long-term investments like stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or bonds. You could consult with a financial advisor to create an investment plan tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. The fifth mistake is naming the wrong beneficiary. Failing to name the right beneficiary or forgetting to name one at all can create unnecessary complications for your loved ones. The key differences between beneficiaries and successor holder: a beneficiary receives the funds that may need to go through probate. This depends on your province of residence. Now, a successor holder, if your spouse or common law partner, takes over the account directly, maintaining its tax-free status without affecting their own TFSA contribution room. So how do you avoid this? Well, it's pretty simple. You regularly review your beneficiary designations. If you're married or in a common law relationship, consider naming your spouse as a successor holder instead of as a beneficiary. Sixth mistake is holding foreign investments in your TFSA. Well, many Canadians don't realize that dividends from a US or other foreign investment held in a TFSA are subject to foreign withholding taxes. While your TFSA protects you from Canadian taxes, can't claim a foreign tax credit for withheld amounts. For example, if you hold US dividend-paying stocks in your TFSA and earn $1,000 in dividends, you'll lose 15% or $150 to withholding tax. Over time, this can seriously eat into your returns. How do you avoid this? Well, you hold U.S. dividend-paying stocks at NRSP instead, where they're exempt from U.S. withholding taxes under the Canada-U.S. Tax Treaty. You use your TFSA for Canadian stocks or growth-focused investments. By avoiding these mistakes, you can take full advantage of the TFSA's incredible tax-free growth potential and build a stronger financial future. If you're unsure whether you're using your TFSA correctly or want personalized advice on optimizing your financial strategy, let's chat. You can click on the link below in the description to book a free consultation with my team at DLD Financial Group Ltd. Love to help you make the most of your finances. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.